Are you tired of shelling out cash for expensive cable just to catch your favorite shows? Fear not, savvy TV lovers. Let's talk about the magic of indoor TV antennas, your secret weapon to free entertainment. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the best indoor TV antennas that will have you saying goodbye to hefty bills and hello to crystal clear reception. Get ready to shake off those cable chains and unlock a world of binge-worthy content without breaking the bank. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website consumerpicked.com. Like this video, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. Channel Master Flatenna 35, our pick for best budget indoor TV antenna. Looking to ditch those pricey cable bills without sacrificing your TV time? Let me introduce you to your new best friend, the Channel Master Flatenna 35. This little wonder isn't just an antenna, it's your ticket to free local television. If you're lucky enough to live in a signal-rich area, you're in for a treat. Your favorite shows and the major networks are just waiting for you. Forget about complicated installations. This beauty is as easy as pie. Just find a good spot, plug it in, and voila! You're ready to binge, watch the news, or catch that game your buddy keeps bragging about. But let's talk about the perks. With a maximum range of 35 miles, you can wave goodbye to those annoying cable fees. And with an impressive ability to pick up to 999 channels, you'll have more options than you know what to do with. Its sleek white and black design means it won't clash with your living room decor either. Functionality and style, check and check. So why wait? Kick back, relax, and revel in the glorious world of free TV. With the Channel Master Flatenna 35, you'll be channel surfing in no time, enjoying drama, reality, and everything in between, all without the irritating cost of those cable subscriptions. Embrace your inner frugalista and let the Flatenna bring the airwaves to you. Number 4. Winegard FlatWave Amped FL5500A, our pick for best small indoor TV antenna. If you're on the hunt for a stellar indoor antenna, let me introduce you to the Winegard FlatWave Amped FL5500A. Sure, it's a tad pricier than your typical flat antennas, but trust me, this little beauty pulls in signals from up to 50 miles away like it's nothing. It's practically an overachiever. One savvy Redditor even tossed it in their attic, raving that it hooks up like a dream with their HD8 home run and Plex setup. They claim it's like having a VIP pass to the world of crystal clear TV. Now, here's the scoop. Since the FL5500A is amplified, it does require a little juice. Think USB port or a wall socket for power. Don't sweat it. It comes with a generous 3-foot USB cable and a long 18.5-foot coaxial cable, so you have flexibility in setting it up without feeling like an octopus in a spaghetti factory. Let's break down the features. It supports VHF UHF signals, has a 6-foot coax cable for those who like things cozy, and it's sleek enough to charm your living room. And let's not forget, it's designed for indoor use, meaning no wildlife encounters while you binge your favorite shows. So if you're ready to wave goodbye to fuzzy channels and say hello to seamless streaming, the Winegard FlatWave Amped FL5500A is your new best friend. Still searching for the perfect indoor TV antenna? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. Mohu Arc, our pick for best tabletop indoor TV antenna. Looking to cut the cord but stuck in an antenna dilemma? Say hello to the Mohu Gateway. If your place lacks that prime window spot for an antenna, this little tabletop wonder is about to become your new best friend. Picture this. You're ready to embrace the wonders of free TV, but all you've got is a cluttered shelf instead of a perfect window view. Fear not. The Mohu Gateway steps in, ready to give your favorite shows a fighting chance. While it plays nice alongside its Leaf sibling, both contenders for reception excellence, let's face it, the Leaf is practically begging to be stuck on a window. Meanwhile, the Gateway is more of a stand-up comic, rocking the stage like a champ on your AV unit. Sure, it may not grab the same signal when it's cozy on that shelf, but when your options are limited, nothing beats its charm. With a sleek white design and a 75 ohm impedance, The Mohu gateway knows how to blend in while pulling in signals that'll have you enjoying your shows in no time. And that magnificent range of 211,200 feet ensures you won't miss out on the action, even if your place feels like a signal dead zone. So, if your only choice is to put an antenna on a stand, make sure it's the gateway. Wave goodbye to cable costs and hello to endless entertainment. Number 2. Gesobyte Amplified HD Digital, our pick for best indoor TV antenna with amplifier. Looking to level up your TV watching game? Meet the Gesobyte. This isn't just any antenna, it's your satellite guardian against pixelated doom. With the ever-elusive attenuator switch, you'll have power in the palm of your hand. Living in a close-knit neighborhood where your Wi-Fi and TV signals go head-to-head with those mighty broadcast towers? No problem. Just flip that switch to low and let your antenna chill for a while. Keep those signals calm and collected, just like your weekend vibe after a long week. But wait, are you more of a hermit tucked away in a cozy corner of the world? If the nearest tower feels like a distant star, crank that baby up to high and bask in the glorious abundance of signal boost. It's like sending a lifeboat to rescue your favorite shows from the treacherous oceans of weak reception. And let's not forget the jaw-dropping channel selection. With the Gesobyte, you'll have access to a whopping 500 channels. Yep, that's right. Enough entertainment to make your couch feel like a throne. So whether you're an antenna novice or a seasoned TV wizard, the Gesobyte is the dynamic duo you've been waiting for. Go on, upgrade your antenna game and turn your living room into a veritable entertainment extravaganza. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Mohu Leaf 50 Amplified, our pick for best indoor TV antenna overall. The Mohu Leaf 50 Amplified indoor TV antenna is your no-nonsense ticket to free TV bliss. Forget about those pesky monthly subscriptions. Your favorite shows are just a flip of a switch away. This ultra-sleek, paper-thin wonder measures in at a mere 10 by 11.5 by 0.04 inches, making it the perfect companion for your cozy living room or that tiny studio apartment. With the Jolt Switch 18 decibel inline USB amplifier, you can crank up the reception in real time. Who knew getting great TV could be this interactive? You'll snag crisp, clear broadcasts up to 60 miles away, making you feel like a TV signal ninja, slicing through trees and walls. The multi-directional UHF and high VHF elements mean you'll be catching all the signals from both sides of the antenna. And if black or white doesn't match your vibe, feel free to get crafty, slap on some paint and personalize it. Each TV market is its own little signal universe, so responses may vary. But don't sweat it. The Mohu Leaf 50 is your trusty sidekick in this quest for the ultimate binge-watching experience. Included in the box, your sleek antenna, a 12 feet high-performance coaxial cable, the magical Jolt Switch amplifier, and everything else you need to become the master of your media destiny. Now go forth and embrace the world of free TV like the champ you are. That's a wrap. We hope you had a blast going through our list of best indoor TV antennas. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which indoor TV antenna you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen! Thanks for watching! We will see you in our next videos!